Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Follow me over on Instagram at jamie.p12. And I am sharing my laundry routine with you guys. I am starting out by getting all the dirty towels out of the kids' bedrooms and getting them out of my room. And Thor is just following me around. So I'm just going to finish up separating all the clothes so I can get ready to wash them. And I do have a lot of towels because before we moved into this house we actually had 2 full baths. So there was towels for the kids' bathroom as well as ours. But since we moved into this house we only have 1.5 bath. Our bathroom, just no shower. So I just got the washer all loaded up. I will be using Gain pods, and I use 2, and I also will be using some Gain fabric softener. So now I'm just going to get the towels out of the dryer so I can switch over my laundry. And I've got my little helper, George. He likes to sit right there and watch me do laundry. So now I'm just going to get it folded up so I can put them away. But I am the type of person, if I don't fold it as soon as it comes out of the dryer, it won't get done. It will just live out of a basket for a week. That's just one of my downfalls. I don't mind washing them, but I have to do it as soon as it comes out of the dryer. And I am just going to fold them as soon as they came out of the dryer, just so I can get that part done and out of the way. And a lot of times with my towels, I'll just fold them as soon as I pull them out of the dryer, just because it's easier. And there is my little helper. This is still the same day. I just got dressed. I was fixed to have to run into town real quick while the clothes were washing. So I'm going to do a load of whites, and the little spot for you to put your bleach right there, I fill that up twice with bleach, because my husband's white shirts, and he wears these white shirts up underneath his work shirts, and they get so nasty. So I use a lot of bleach to try to whiten them and get them clean again. And I am just going to start by folding up the clothes and hanging them up and getting them all put away. So this is actually the last little bit of clothes that will be folded up for the day, because I had to run to town and my son ended up finishing up the laundry for me. So I'm going to finish folding these up and getting these all put away. And I hope this video gave you guys some motivation to tackle your own laundry. Sometimes I know I need a little extra motivation to tackle my laundry because it is my least favorite thing to do. I'm just so grateful that my kids are teenagers now and they can do their own laundry. So that kind of lightens up my load of laundries I have to do. So, when y'all please like and subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification button, it will let you know every time I upload a new video. And I will talk to you guys next week. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday.